Welcome viewers. Today we're going to take you to the most exciting place called Busch Garden, located in Tampa, Florida. This park was opened in 1953 only for Anheuser-Busch family members. Later on, they opened to the public. And most of you probably don't know the world's tallest and fastest roller coaster is located in Busch Garden, Tampa. This is a place the whole family can enjoy a whole day. And the roller coaster also have a safari where you can come very close to some wild animals. Busch Garden has been very famous and very popular destination for all the people who comes to Florida, especially roller coaster and water rides. So if you want to come here and visit with your family, and if you really like roller coaster, this is the place to be. Busch Garden, Tampa, Florida. There's a roller coaster, there's a water ride, they have a safari. As you see, this is the place that the whole family can enjoy, and also the water rides. Busch Garden, Tampa is about 1 hour drive from Orlando, Florida. So if you come to Orlando, you also can drive there, or you can fly direct to Tampa International Airport. There's a child activities, there's the food, there's no shortage. And also, if you're looking for a place to stay, there's a Busch Garden hotel, and there's so many hotels surrounded. If you like to eat food, there's a fine dining, and also have different kind of restaurant. Don't forget to see all the live show throughout the park. And I hope you enjoy, you stay while you're here. And don't forget to bring your raincoat, because if you come in summertime, you're probably going to see some rain. Beside that, Busch Garden Tampa is an excellent place for the family. Hope you like what you see, and please don't forget to give us a thumbs up and subscribe our channel for more information. Thank you very much for watching.